Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could replace your hard disk by an SSD. The first thing which you will need to find the adequate screwdriver. I use also this plastic part to remove the cover of my computer. So I will close the screwdriver box, switch and try to find the one which can open for me properly without damaging the screws in my computer. You can try multiple to find the proper size, and once it's fit you can go ahead and start opening with it. The operation should not take more than 2 or 3 minutes. So I will go ahead and open my computer. Always try to find out the right way of turning the screwdrivers. Usually it's from right to left to open and the inverse to close. Now we'll use this piece of plastic to open. You can always use both hands for opening or to open properly. Make sure to not break anything. That's why I was suggesting to use the plastic part so that you don't break anything, because some of the covers, they are set in a way that there are small plastic parts which are entering inside. Once you open your computer properly, you can always go ahead on online and check how you can open your computer without breaking anything. The next step, I will remove the old hard disk from my computer. You can always keep that hard disk on, but you will have to go through a lot of setups to set it as a secondary disk. For now I will just remove it and I will replace it by an SSD. Please note that there are two types of SSD. There is one which has the size of your hard disk, which you can put in the place of your hard disk, and there are those which are kind of small and shorter, and for which in some computers there is the plug and for some not. So if you have a plug for only your traditional hard disk, then I will invite you to buy an adapter if you have the SSD as I show you in this video. So for me, I have the plug. I will just go ahead and plug my SSD and I will use a screwdriver again and the screw and fix it so that it doesn't move. Again, make sure that you have selected the right screwdriver to not damage it, but also to do the job properly. Once completed, or the screwdriver doesn't turn anymore, which is closed, then you can just go ahead, close your computer lid or close your computer back, and you can try to turn on your computer. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.